So this will be the first anyway. They've won the game already. Can they finish it off? They can. What a way to finish it. Hunain Shah with a perfect in-swinging Yorker. A win, but more importantly, they're in that top four. Celebrations. What a story this is in HBL Pakistan Super League Season 11. Lahore Qalandars are gone. And it is Hyderabad Kingsmen, the new franchise, are in the top four.
Take a bow, Hunain Shah, 4 for 22 when his team needed it. Let's just understand the context right now. First 4 games, lost all 4. 4 on the bounce, 1, lost the game again, and then coming back with an emphatic victory here at the National Bank Stadium. What scenes! 244 with the bat, giving themselves a chance, and they will be ecstatic. Needed the big players to stand up and be counted, and that they did. An unbelievable partnership. In the last 10 overs, 100-run partnership for Kusal Pereira rather, and Glenn Maxwell. He was certainly the standout performer today. Take a bow, the Kingsmen.
Yeah, lots of heroes. Lots of heroes. And I think the way that they've come back, an excellent end to match 39. And as I said, this is just the starter. Super Sunday, we still don't know we're in the top 2. We now know our top 4. And what a way to finish it. What a delivery. It's a Wasim Akram Waqar Yunis special to finish it off. Thank you very much. Hunain Shah, 4 for 22. Watch these scenes. This is what playing T20 cricket in Pakistan is all about. Absolutely brilliant. That's what it means. That's what you play cricket for. Career best figures for that man. What a performance. And what a game.